Actor Emmanuel Ehumadu come under fire for trying to raise 25 million for the burial of his late colleague Ernest Azuzu. And no matter what one does, some people will still sit back and talk trash. That is what he was saying. Why we, the colleague of the late Ernest Azuzu, are trying to raise funds for the burial. Rumors around has been going on. Now I am talking upon myself to make sure we raise that 25 million naira for his burial and family welfare. If you believe in his courage, please join me and let's donate for his burial. Our fellow Nigeria people, are you hearing what our brother actor Emmanuel is saying? That you people we should please join him to raise that 25 million naira for Ernest burial. Okay, if you know you have a lot, please give out. How can Beyonce go and be buying 800 million house for what? You cannot give 1 million to the next person. Why? 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 How can you have house here? I know you are the one working for it, but it's just too much for you alone. Other people need your 500,000 to extend. Other people need your 100,000 euro to extend. Other people need your 200,000 euro to extend. Don't just go and use how many billions? 6 millions for one house. 6 million euro for one house. Not just 6 million. 500 million for one house. Beyonce, why? Why? Why will you go and pack all those money just for you alone to stay and shit and eat? Beyonce, why? I am putting it inside you. Why? Extend that money to others. If you know you have a lot, help a brother that is in need. But 25 million naira to do burial is just too much. Okay? 25 million naira to do burial is too much. 25 million raised for his burial, yet he could not raise 350,000 naira when he was sick. He didn't say it enough. He said it and he went inside. If he was really saying it every day before he died, they could have helped. Maybe sometimes they just say it and went back inside the room. I don't know. After saying it, they will go back inside. They thought someone is thinking about them. Nobody's thinking about them. Everybody's thinking about their own. Except you continue saying it. That is when he could have got the help. But he didn't continue saying it. He just said it and went inside. He said it and went inside. You need to be consistent. Just be doing it. Just be asking. You could have find someone that will help you. We have rich people in our country. You could have find someone who will help you. They were doing it koni. Yes, it's not that we are begging you guys to help us to. It's not that we are begging you guys to donate because he's sick. Okay, we do not care anymore. Okay, as for now we are okay. We are fine. We are just inside. Don't let anyone know. That is really what most happen. He came out. You need to consistency. Just it's your time to die. It is your time. Nobody should be blaming anybody. We are not the person. Nobody gave birth to you. Nobody know how you were born. It's only God that know how Ernest Azuzu was born. Only God knows how he will come. You understand? Because of that, you don't need to blame anybody for it. If they donate, fine. If they did donate, you people should do as you can. Don't blame anyone for his death. If God wanted them to donate it, God will do it. Someone will raise the fund for him. God don't just want it. I know God does not want bad thing for us, but if he wants it, he will provide it. That is my own aspect of you. You people should stop blaming yourself, stop fighting yourself about someone that is already gone. Okay? Someone that is gone is gone. Have nothing to participate in whatsoever we are doing on earth right now. Okay? Even living dog is better than dead person. Okay, if you people was be able to provide 350,000 naira for his illness, it's okay. But the money didn't come out then. It's still okay. He died. He's okay. He's alive. It's okay. Whatever you are doing, you are okay. All right. You are rich, it's okay. You are poor, it's okay. You are sick, it's okay. You are feeling pain, it's okay. You can provide doctor that can give you relief pain, it's okay. You are enjoying, it's okay. You live in mansion, it's okay. You drive a nice car, it's okay. You don't have a car, it's okay. You are crippled, it's okay. God just gave you all that belongs to you. That is what he has for you. But still continue praising him, still continue thanking him for his wonderful doing. You people should stop blaming yourselves about who raised 350,000 or who is raising 25,000 million for his burial. It does not make sense anyway. It does not make sense. You people should let the sleeping dog lie. Let the sleeping dogs lie. Okay? Okay? While we, the colleague of late Ernest Azusa, are trying to raise funds for his burial, rumors around he's going. Now I am taking upon myself to make sure we raise that 25 million naira for his burial and his family welfare. If you believe in this, in his courage, please join me. You should join Brother Emmanuel to raise this fund. Go and look for his account, official account. Okay, Emmanuel. Go on Emmanuel World People. Go and look for his official account so that you can donate to help this hour. Please, you people should please join him and let's donate, okay, for his burial. If you want to donate, please DM me for the account details. God bless you all. Now you the poster for people to donate money for his burial. Yes, of Prince Diddy O2. You are right. This is what they could have done for him when he was alive. When he was demanding 350,000 naira. 350,000 naira. This is what they could have done for him. Put it on their wall, post it on their wall, so that everyone will be aware, so that everyone will contribute their possible best to make him out of that situation. Not now when he is dead. Anyway, I still think that he just have a pity on his friends. You know, they normally act together. And he was surprised that the guy just died. We didn't take it as if it was so serious, because the partner or the wife didn't put it online several times. Something like that. When something like that is happening, you need to put it online several times every day. Just try it for 3 months. You will see solution will be out. But if you just post it once in a month, nobody's going to, no, we are not going to remember about it, except you continue every day doing it, making us to be aware, telling us and giving us, as we were saying, as one, this our brother Prince Daddy O2 said, okay, when he was alive, you guys didn't support. When he was alive, you guys didn't post his demand on your wall. Now that he's dead, for burying him 25 million to save his life 350,000. So our fellow Nigerian people are now fighting with Ato Emmanuel that is not the right thing to do, that he didn't do. So another Nigerian person now went there to say their mind, now. When he was sick, we do not see such things from you guys. Exactly what I was saying. When he need money, many of una not turn up, and you not call yourself guys. You not call your guys. My man, my heart, there is no sorry when the head is down. Show love to people while they live, not after death. I am not talking to you alone. I'm talking to Nollywood actors generally. And if my comment gets you offended, you can block me, bro. Damn, I do not give a flunk. Let's celebrity and let's celebrate and help people while they are living. Your comment is so right. Your comment is so correct. You are not biased person. You move with your head person. That is who you are. God bless you. Yes. Another person said, Nigeria, una now to they talk rubbish, they criticize. Exactly. Please share this video to others. Share these videos to others. Please share. When he posts it, how much do you send? You are saying the truth. Talk and criticism. That is all we do. Examine yourself before you open your ghetto. You are right. When people do not have money to do the needful, they look for who to blame. So I prefer. That was how our people reacted to. They reacted to the picture that our brother actor Emmanuel posted, that they should come and donate for late actor Ernest burial. Okay? And our Nigeria is grieving, our Nigerian fellow people, they are grieving that why will it be, why now, before bringing those posts out. When this, our Ernest was demanding help, nobody cared to post it on their wall. Nobody cared to donate. Now, after he is dead, they are not saying they should come and donate 25,000 million to bury him. Are you guys not for me? Or that page may be a scam. 350,000, nobody donated. Now you guys are saying that they should come and donate 25,000 million. Let me laugh. If you can show me where he posts it on his Instagram page, if you can show it to me, DM me your account and get instant 10k with proof. You are a goat. If you cannot provide it, and goat you shall be, you shall remain. That is what I thought. Don't you think is a scam? So who are you that anyone needs to provide anything to you? Guys, keep your money now. I'm annoying, forcing you to donate? Is anyone forcing you to donate to anyone, or you just want me to notice you? Okay, I have sent you. Can you rest in peace? Please don't let him rest in peace. So he just express his mind and tell you what he feel like about this issue. With due respect, bro, I hope this comment is not for me. Oh. Rumor or no rumor, delete this rubbish. Okay, are you mad? Who gave you the mouth to speak on my page? Okay, I will tell you again. This is okay. Our Emmanuel brother wrote, "Are you mad? Who gave you the mouth to speak on my page?" Okay, our fellow brother Christian Niger for 12, Christian Niger for 72. I will tell you again, this is absolutely rubbish. Delete it. Oga is certainly not wise. As a fans, do not expect me to tell you what you want to hear. Check my comment on your previous post. I have not forced hence criticize you, but you see this very one, it is a no from my own point of view. And no, I am not mad. Are you hearing? This is rubbish. It's not. Anyway, this is uncalled for. This guy have been buried anyway. I think he have been buried. How can you people was not be able to acquire 350,000 naira to save his life, but you people are not demanding 25 million naira, that they should come and donate 25 million naira to bury him? This world is funny. Okay, I remain your girl, your sister, your friend, your daughter, your all and all in one human being, Franca Ideale, one of the universe, Franca Ideale, one of Sheshe Nation. Please do not forget to subscribe to this, my YouTube channel. Subscribe to it, support your sister as we bring more information to your will. Okay, it should not be like that. It shouldn't be done like that. It shouldn't be done like that. When someone needs help when they are alive, if you have it, do. And if you do not have it, try to make them understand that you don't have it. It's not that you just want to make them suffer. It's not available now. But if it is available, you will help. Okay? So one of our person said, why not raise the money when he was a living? Why? Why now? So no need. I always see a man who wants to use his late friends to make money. Human beings are terrible. Oh my God, they are blushing my brother Emmanuel, actor Emmanuel, our actor Emmanuel. Yes, they are blushing him. Human being. Really terrible. Rest in peace, Ernest. Rest in peace, our beloved actor. Rest in peace. God bless you. God receive your soul. I see Muna. Yeah. Dead in silence has begun upon people for help. Muna. Nobody knows what's happened to Muna. You people should not put the blame on anybody. Nobody know what happened, and even if somebody if it is somebody that killed them, they let them bear their repercussion. Let them bear the grudge inside their mind. You don't need to blame it on anybody. Okay, stop blaming people. No, nobody know what happened. We are not the cause, but donating 25 million to bury him is not needed. It's just too much. Medicine after death. He was once seen on the street begging for alms. Where were you that time? Now that he died, you crawl out from your shallow to raise money for his burial, hypocrite of the highest order. He is supposed to be right inside the fire, not under the fire. When he was a living, no care or support from them. Are you people hearing the statement of your people? Are you people hearing this? Sometimes you still need to say no when you have a lot. Sometimes you still need to say no. If not, people will use this one, use that one, use this one. They will use it to collect all your money. You will be broke. They will start laughing at you. He is supposed to be, yes. Oh Dios, el tiempo de mundo, el tipo de mundo en que dejamos hogar, para que puede recuerdar fondo ahora cuando casi se convierte en un cambio al lado de mendigo. Toma a Dios, no, o todos los de Hollywood. Yo, la gente iba es más celebradas cuando está muerta que viva. Descansa en ellos. If you want to translate some Nigeria Pidgin English, you want to finish your brain. Let me see this one in Spanish. Some people write correctly, good spelling, it's understandable to read. For some people, they write it their way, but it's only them that will understand it. All those who helped him when he was a living, take no follow, abeg. Ernest received a lot of document and undocumented help during his sick days. He is dead. Next thing is to bury him, and the dead must be buried. Oh, that's my beloved person brought another aspect of view. 25 million sounds are strong, but funds still need to be raised for his burial. Oh, God bless you. God bless you for your sense of humor. God bless you. That is the world we live in, such painful moments. If you talk, some people will say those people too have their own problem. But just look at this. 25 million is not enough to send him abroad for medical well-being. 25 million for his burial, but all were watching him suffering till he died. Do more. Humans are really terrible. Sometimes you cannot call your friends to know about their welfare, but you are willing to travel a long distance to attend his own or her burial. It is not good. Yes, that is what happened. Ernest, our beloved brother Emmanuel, brought out a 25 million donation, and our fellow Nigerians started attacking him. Why will he do something like that? That is why I love our Nigeria. When you do something bad, they will attack you. They will say no, they're not the real. They will do all their possible best to straight it. God bless you all. God bless you all. That is the message I brought to your way today. I need your girl, your sister, your friend, your daughter, your auntie, your cousin, your mama, okay? Your in-law, you're all and all in one human being, like our Heavenly Father. Franca Ediale, one of the universe. Franca Ediale, one of Sheshege Nation. Please download on this information. What is your thought? And when someone needs help, if you have it, help. God bless you. Bye-bye.